Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Healthy Guiders. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic medical condition characterized by high levels of blood glucose, commonly known as blood sugar. Types of diabetes. There are two primary types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Causes of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is primarily an autoimmune disease, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. Type 2 diabetes is often linked to lifestyle factors like poor diet, lack of physical activity, and genetics. Effects of diabetes. The long-term effects of diabetes can be severe and include heart disease, kidney problems, vision issues, nerve damage, and more. Transition to natural management. There's the good news. Diabetes can often be managed and even prevented through natural, healthy methods. Let's explore some of them. Natural ways to manage diabetes. Diet and nutrition. Inga, balanced diet rich in whole grains, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help regulate blood sugar levels. Physical activity. Regular exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively, lowering blood sugar. Stress can affect blood sugar levels, so practices like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness can be beneficial. Weight management. Loss excess weight can improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. In summary, diabetes is a significant health concern, but with the right lifestyle choices, it can be managed naturally. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.